Howdy, y'all, friends, family, and neighbors. Welcome back to Southern Style. My name is Jesse Ray Jump, and come with me to go to church today, boys. Come on. Hey, y'all, friends, family, and neighbors. Welcome back to Southern Style. My name is Jesse Ray Jump, and today we're going to go to church. Wait! Gonna pop this belt buckle off here real quick. Pop this shiny old silver one on there. Fancy. All fancied up pair, boys, you know what I'm saying? Now we gonna go get pointed toes, because we are fancy today. Just smoked that cat in the head because it's autistic. Not intentionally, it ran out in front of my foot. Rockin' Leather, greatest boots of all time. Rockin' Leather, please sponsor me. Please. I'm out of my church clothes. Don't know if y'all can see. I'm still in my church boots though, so I'm farted. Fuck. Hopefully the audio's fixed. Just go put my tent away real quick. Y'all can't even see me on camera right now. Got it. Hosed it off, cleaned it up a little bit. Trying to get nice. Because I'm going to do a camping video here soon. Yeah, I'm picking all these up. Fuck you. Like cobweb on my face or something. Yeah, I just hosed it off. Right on neat. Nice. How the fuck do you fold my damn thing? Move the camera. So y'all can see me struggling. There y'all go, you friends, family, and neighbors. There's a proper way to do this. I just don't know it. But it's proper. Good enough. Just go stuff it in my tent bag. Mullet's looking extra bowl cutty today. I don't know what just fell out of my hair. Oh! Yep. Broke my fucking camera. Oh well, you know. We got a cracked camera lens now. Yeah, no, shit is fucked. God damn. Yeah, I did that wrong. I'm gonna watch the video on how to fold the tent. Yes, I'm incompetent and I just broke my camera. I kinda sorta got it how it's supposed to be. It's still got like a bunch of air in it. So it like won't go in all the way, but when I zip it up, I'm pretty sure I can stuff it down in there. Time to put all these fucking things away. Y'all are really lucky I'll go to the gym in this video. Start going back to the gym. Now that, you know, I have no excuse now because all my legs are healed. Fucker. I mean, it's been less than a month since I've last gone to the gym. But I mean, still been a hot minute. Still took a little bit of a break. Y'all know how it is. Kind of failing on the diet a little bit, getting a little chubby. Up from 191 to 196 pounds. At least I'm not back in the 200s. Like so, I ate a hefty fucking breakfast / lunch. So then eat breakfast before church. God damn it. Alright, now let's stuff all this fucking shit. Y'all know what I fucking forgot? Like a goddamn moron? The fucking cover. Would you do a 30-minute vlog about putting up a fucking tent? I hope I'm doing this right, y'all. If I'm not, y'all are gonna fucking... I already see the comments on this video. Like, I don't have a huge audience, so when I do get comments, it's either, oh my god, nice video, or holy shit, you're fucking stupid. Oh. Stakes, tent poles, everything in the goddamn Ozark Trail bag. Now let's start zipping this whore. Fucking whore. God, I am sweating like a cock-sucking motherfucker. Definitely did not fold this tent right. Definitely am having a fucking skill issue trying to put this away. Oh, I'm just gonna skip ahead. Boom, baby. Goddamn. Check the pump from putting the goddamn tent away. Alright, on to the next order of business. I got new insoles for these. We're gonna pop them in. I gotta go get the insoles from the house. Here are the insoles, y'all. Right here. Don't know if y'all really give a fuck. Finally ready to get out of these damn church boots, y'all. Popping the old Ariat house slippers on, boys. I've heard people complain about boots being uncomfortable, but I'll tell you what, if you've had a good pair of boots for a year or more, and you've worked them in, you've worked in them, there ain't nothing better than putting them on after you had sweaty old church boots on. Grabbing us some Kentucky Diesel. Grabbing us some Kentucky Diesel. Took off a pair of Rockin' Leathers. Put on a pair of Ariats to go fix a pair of Justins. So basically, I just gotta fit my foot through in there till I push the liner back down. And then I'm gonna set the insole in there. Got to set the camera down somewhere. Right there, boys. No. There. I guess y'all can see from there. I ain't too sure. It's kind of iffy. I mean, these are still acting like bitches. Honestly, I think these might be clapped, boys. These were the first pair of boots I got after them General Lee's. Yeah, they might be clapped out. I'm going to cut ahead through all of my jury rig. Alright, y'all, so I've come to the conclusion. I just don't think these boots are going to work anymore. I think they're done. And that's unfortunate, because they're fine. The outside's fine. It's just the stupid inliner. Which, I mean, I could cut out, but I'm sure somebody would call me a fucking retard for doing. See, I can't get this to pop back into place down in there. So, what can a 15-year-old boy looking for answers do other than YouTube? Hey, y'all, I just uploaded a YouTube short about this predicament. Oh, god damn. Just uploaded a YouTube short about this. I have no idea. I kind of fucked it up a little bit more than original. I have no idea if y'all just saw that on the camera or not. In the process of editing the footage I already got, but anyways, he came, he saw, he conquered. Boom. I haven't made this kind of video since 2022. I don't know how well the footage saved because my camera overheated and crashed. But yeah, nothing interesting happened. I put the crawdad on. I'm gonna set the camera back up actually. Nothing's happening, y'all. I've never caught a fish on camera. I heard some pretty big ones. But, oh well. There's another spot way up the way there. Like a few more casts in here, put the crawl back. Because the other spot's a lot smaller, so I might get the crawdad out in there. Come here, camera. Can't tell what they are. I think they're turtles. Is that a turtle, y'all? Yeah, it's a turtle. So I've switched lures again. Hopefully this will give me a bass. So I'll switch spots. Hold up, y'all. Let me get 2 waters out. Hey, I don't know if that's better, but yeah, hopefully it is. Yeah, y'all can kind of see what's going on. So I switched spots because the camera kept overheating and the sun where it was. So now we're here. Now I look like an idiot. Oh my good God. That's why you never reel your lure in all the way. I'll be back. I'm back, y'all. So I just cut the line because I ain't mess with all that. And I cut my finger, so I'm just gonna. I ain't had tetanus shot since 2014, so I'm just gonna sprinkle out some water real quick, make it look cute. My sawdust covered water bottle. Anyways, yeah, we're all ready. First, hopefully successful cast. It's tangled again. I can already see the comments. You're a fucking idiot. No shit. I don't know where I'm at. I like it. I love it. Love fishing. Ain't good. Get down here. Camera angle still good? Hopefully. Oh, man. Like non-existent. What's the thing for what non-existent? That was a fish, wasn't it? Camera overheats again. I'm fucking suing. Goddamn. Somebody. Oh, goddamn dragonfly. Pause footage. Oh shit. Hold up. I just got tangled in somebody's old fishing line. No, it's not mine. I'm using yellow wire. This one's clear. Well, if I take that to the garbage with me at some point. Pause video. I don't know what it was. It was a little tiny baby fish, and I thought it was a fucking little smallmouth bass. Fuck. two fucking things just happened. Number one, I watched a spider crawl up my boot and bite the shit out of me. I stomped that motherfucker to death. Number two, I got bite. It was a bass spider. And he stole my fucking artificial. So I hope he enjoys a big old fucking belly of plastic. Cocksucker. Yeah, it probably wasn't even that big. So, you know, he could let me catch him, show him off in the video, get some content out of the motherfucker. No. Need to be a dick about it. This one's got a fucking hook in it already. Poking my goddamn self. Stupid fucking hooks. The head off of him. Shorten it up a bit more. Trying to make this fit. By the way, what you saw me throw went into my fucking fish bucket. So I'm not littering. And my fucking sinker came off too, so that's fun. I'll put a little one on there. So this is pretty heavy. This is last cast, y'all. No, I'm calling it in. This is last cast, y'all. Fucked it up. Smooth sailing, boys. Damn turtle keeps sitting over yonder and watching me. I'm gonna call this video quits. Get home. Have a good day, y'all, friends, family, and neighbors. I just made the outro for this video, but screw that. I'm eating dinner right now, actually. Snappy tomato. I'm gonna end this video tomorrow when I go to the gym. There's no reason that I can't go today other than I'm tired. I don't want to go today. I'll go tomorrow. Holy shit, look at my eyeball. That's not good. Maybe I'll have to get glasses again. Who knows? Anyway, y'all, see you tomorrow. Got a whole lot more off camera shit done today. So I'm just gonna sit by the fire for a little bit and enjoy myself before I go to bed. It's like the real life version of, so I went mining off camera. So I just woke up. Y'all know what that means. Time to finish this video out. Gotta go to the gym today. Made creatine, like a premix of creatine last night. Put it in the fridge to get cold. I fucking hate creatine, so I'm not gonna take it. I'm just gonna go to the gym. Quick pump check in the car, because I'm too ashamed to do it inside the gym. Whew. Damn. I would show legs, but I done took my shoes off in the car, because I fucking hate gym shoes. That's probably gonna end it for today's vlog, y'all. Have a good day, y'all, friends, family, and neighbors.